I'm sure you've heard the news. LA is burning, but who's to blame? Councilwoman Tracy Park is leading the charge for accountability. Fire hydrants failed, reservoirs were empty, and $18 million was cut from the fire department's budget. Governor Newsom has called for an independent review of the LA water and power. With major events like the World Cup and Olympics on the horizon, Park insists we can't afford to be unprepared. Stay informed, support relief efforts, and hit subscribe for updates. Subscribe.